Some great news breaking today. The government is investing a whopping 3.4 million quid to trial and develop wireless charging for electric taxis. What is this witchcraft, I hear you say? Well, it's a lot like the wireless dock for your smartphone, but quite a bit bigger. So if you've ever been stood in a taxi rank with a queue around the corner with all the taxis, stationary, engines on, pumping out poisonous fumes and thinking there must be a better way, hopefully this is the answer. Now, yesterday at the Fully Charged exhibitor briefing in Farnborough, I caught up with one of the big supporters of the initiative, Mikko Sumala from parkingenergy.com.
Well, obviously, taxis are a huge pollution in standing still in traffic. Electric taxis don't have any emissions, and we can charge them once they stop at the taxi rank, top it up, and they're ready to go without any breaks in the service.
But what about all the charging cables?
No cables needed.
Huh?
You just drive on, drive off, and automatically. We already have that working with the phones. And also it's really good for residential use once the technology matures and the price points come down.
So what does all this mean? Less street clutter and charging cables, less time off the road for taxi drivers to charge up. Ultimately, cleaner air for pedestrians, cyclists, pigeons, basically anyone in or around major cities. And it should also persuade more cabbies to ditch the diesel and try out an LEVC electric taxi. And in other news, great news, Fully Charged Live is going to be back this year, and instead of at Silverstone, it's going to be at Farnborough International right at the very beginning of May. If you can't wait to get your Fully Charged fix until then, head over to Austin, Texas for Fully Charged USA, which is going to be the 1st and 2nd of February.
For more information, check our website, parkingenergy.com, or come see us live at Fully Charged Live in Farnborough this May. We'll see you there.